Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad K Sangma mynta ke sngi ulawan ban sakhi ke Jinglehkmen Dap Snem ni ke Silver Jubilee jong ke Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai haka jingïalang ke bala penlong ha phyllaw jong katei hi ke college bat ke phang jong ke ni ke jingrakhe ke long the journey, gratitude and hope haka ni ke sngi lawan synran lang yo Myntri Rangbah naduh Myntri ke tnad pule puthi bat ki kam pohïing jong ke jylla Lahkmen Rymbui MLA ke Jowai Constituency Wailadmiki Shylla Reverend GS Litan balong moderator ke KJP Synod Mingi kam chairman jong ke governing body ke college principal ke college Dr. DG Lingdo Prafulla Kumar Boro balong additional deputy commissioner superintendent of police West Jaintia Hills district Bikram D ki pastor ki Tymmen Basan ki dekhot jong ke jingïalang katei nelor ki nohikai bat ki samla pule ya ke jingïalang la penyaj do nong hikai ke college WEH lamin ubedei ru convener katei ke jingrakhe Silver Jubilee la yo ru ya ki jingrai ne ki nong hikai bat ki samla pule jong ke college habakren kum ukongsan hakatei ke jingïalang Conrad Sangma la penpau ke Jinglehkmen ban yadon bentalang hakani ke Jinglehkmen jong ke college kham tam ban yo bentalang ban pashat shaki jingmut jong ki samla ki badei ki lawei jong ka rihi barok away akula ru bana ka benta ka second phase an jing yarap yakani ka college lingba ka People's College Grant and Aid Scheme jong ka sorkar jylla khnang ba ka tei ka college kandangla ban jam shaprang pan ka jingnang jingstad ya ki samla pule hadian kani Myntri Rangbah ke jylla ula odru yau kek jong ka jingdap Snem Snem ka college bat pliru yau mau nong rim jong ka science block lingba ka jingirap pisa jong ka Rashtriya Uchitar Shiksha Abhiyan MHRD jong ka sorkar kmi
For a town, community, and our country, God bless DJSC.
Conclusion that the college will be named in remembrance of late Reverend Thomas Jones I, the Welsh Christian missionary and also the founding father of Khasi alphabet. The college motto was Tibru Tiblai, which was changed in the year 2018 to Tibreu Tiblai. This motto calls upon one and all of us to be conscientious, humane, socially committed, and spiritually inspired persons. It is expected that this motto shall be the guiding principle of all students who graduate from this institution. With the effort and initiative of the members, along with the former principal, Elder B.N. Lamari, the Additional Director of Public Instruction Meghalaya, Shillong, on the 5th April of 1997, has permitted to open a new college in Jowai town with the evening shift for Class 11 Arts and BA General course. The inauguration of the college was done on the 5th August 1997, which is also regarded as the college foundation day in the district library Menthong by Sri S.C. Marap, the then Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Eventually, the day shift started on the 5th August 2000 and was affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University under the Section 2F of UGC Act 1956.
We didn't realize that Thomas Jones Synod College have completed 25 years. I have involved since 2005 in managing college in Nongtalang College. I know the problem faced by the managing committee, the problem faced by the teachers, the problem faced by the student. Well, I'm very happy that under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, no matter what the people say, Meghalaya is on firm footing in improving education in the state. We are addressing both quality. We are addressing both infrastructure. We are addressing also the trained teachers and also accessibility to different parts of the school.
Carefully. Whether it is what you want to do in life, whether it's about enjoyment, whether it's about social, evils that are there. It's so easy today to get distracted in today's world. And whether it's substance abuse, whether it's different kind of immoral activities that are there. I think as a youth, you need to realize that a moment's pleasure and a moment of fun is something that may destroy your life forever in the future. Hence, you need to be in the right direction and make the right choices at this point in time. Another thing I would like to tell you is that while you are here, you need to realize that it is very, very important to listen to your heart. I tell people that the most difficult decisions to make in life are the ones where the conflict is there between your heart and your mind. And a lot of people have different opinions about it. A lot of debate takes place. But I tell you, at the end, you should follow your heart. Because the logic that the mind may show you, at one point if it becomes illogical, then you just stop. But then, if it's your heart that is behind the decision that you've made, then no matter what challenges you have, no matter what difficulty you go through, because your heart believed in it, that passion was there, you will never give up. And therefore it's very important to follow your heart, follow your passion, so that you know where you're going and you also are ready for the challenges that you will have to face because of the decision you make, and you will never give up because that's what you believe in. And I think if you can keep these few things that I'm telling you today in your mind, I think it's going to make a great difference in what will happen in the years to come. Now, I'm not telling you that I can fix everything, but I'm sharing you what experiences I've had in my life, and I feel it's important that I share it with you because, as I said, this is a very important moment for you where you are finally moving into the real world and you will have to make decisions that is going to shape and direct you in the line of your life. And therefore, I did take this opportunity to share this with you. From Thomas Jones Synod College point of view, I would just like to say that the amount of work that you've been doing out here, the contribution you've made to the society, and what you've achieved in the last 25 years without any support except internally through the governing body and the church is just amazing. And this cannot be done without the kind of passion that you require to do this. A lot of challenges must have come, I can't even imagine them. But here you are today completing 25 years, looking back at history and saying, wow, no matter what happened, we made it and we are here today.